In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Unbounce to Hubspot with an easy integration that you can complete in just 5 minutes. This guide is perfect for marketers and business owners who are looking to streamline their workflows and improve their marketing strategies. So let's get started and you'll see how effortless it is to connect these powerful tools to supercharge your marketing efforts. First, you'll want to head over to HubSpot's homepage. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to hubspot.com. The homepage is the starting point for all things HubSpot, providing you access to their wide array of software and tools designed to help businesses like yours grow effectively. Once you're there, find and click on the Login button. This will take you to the login page where you can enter your credentials to access your HubSpot account. If you're not already registered, you'll need to create an account to proceed. Having direct access to your HubSpot account is essential for managing integrations and other important features. After logging into your account, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot homepage. Here you can see your dashboard and everything HubSpot has to offer. But for our purpose today, we're looking for the HubSpot marketplace. So direct your attention to the top navigation bar and find the icon that resembles a storefront. This is the marketplace. Clicking on this will take you into a world of apps and integrations that can expand HubSpot's functionality. Once inside the marketplace, locate the apps section. This is where you can find various third-party integrations that work seamlessly with HubSpot. To find the Unbounce app, type Unbounce into the search bar. This will rapidly pull up the Unbounce integration, helping you to quickly access and manage the tools you need for landing page optimization. With Unbounce coming up in the search results, click on it to access the app details. This gives you a comprehensive overview of what the Unbounce integration can do for your business, including features and potential use cases that can enhance your marketing tactics. The final step is to click on the Install App button. This will prompt you to follow any additional instructions specific to Unbounce and grant the necessary permissions for HubSpot to communicate with Unbounce. Once installed, your accounts will be connected, allowing you to execute a seamless flow of data and leverage both platforms' capabilities. And that's it, you've successfully integrated Unbounce with HubSpot. By taking just a few minutes to follow these steps, you've opened up new opportunities to optimize your marketing strategies and generate more leads. Remember, integration is only the beginning, so dive into both platforms and explore all that they can offer for your business. Thanks for watching and happy marketing.